Let's have a real talk for a second. You hit 40 and suddenly things change. The energy crashes hit harder, the joints start making noises you've never heard before, and your skin, well, it just doesn't bounce back like it used to. Society tells us this is just getting older. I call BS on that. Welcome to Thrivewellness Corner. Today, I'm giving you the keys to the anti-aging kingdom. It's cheap, it's green, and honestly, you're probably intimidated by it. We are talking about kale, but not just why it's healthy. We're talking about why it is the non-negotiable superweapon for anyone over the age of 40. Look, in your 20s, you eat a salad to fit into jeans. In your 40s and 50s, you eat to fight a war against decline. Kale isn't just a green vegetable with an attitude, it is arguably the most nutrient-dense food on the planet per calorie. Forget the expensive synthetic multivitamins. Mother Nature already packaged everything you need right here. When you hit 40, your nutritional margin for error shrinks. Kale is how you cheat the system. Let's break down the 3 critical reasons your 40-plus body is begging for this stuff. Reason number 1, vanity. Yes, I said it. We want to look good. The biggest enemy of youthful skin after 40 is the slowdown of collagen production. That's why we get wrinkles and sagging. This leaf is absolutely loaded with vitamin C. Now, most people think oranges for vitamin C. Wrong. Kale has exponentially more vitamin C than spinach and rivals citrus. Why do you care? Vitamin C is essential for synthesizing collagen. You cannot build youthful skin without it. Eating kale is like applying expensive anti-aging serum from the inside out. Reason number 2, the hidden fire. If you're over 40 and you wake up feeling stiff or rusty, that is usually chronic low-level inflammation. It's the root of almost every age-related disease. Heart issues, arthritis, you name it. Kale is packed with powerful antioxidants like quercetin and kaempferol. These sound like chemical villains, but they are superheroes. They actively hunt down free radicals in your body and lower oxidative stress. Think of kale as the WD-40 for your stiffening joints. It keeps the rust off so you can keep moving. And finally, number 3, your scaffolding. We start losing bone density rapidly after 40, especially women. We've been told to drink milk for calcium our whole lives. But guess what? Kale is arguably a better source of calcium because it also comes packed with vitamin K. Vitamin K is the traffic cop. It ensures the calcium goes into your bones where it belongs, and not into your arteries where it causes heart problems. It's a 2-for-1 deal you can't ignore. If you found this helpful, smash that like button so YouTube knows we over 40s are here to thrive. And comment below, what is your biggest physical frustration since hitting 40? Let's talk about it. Subscribe to Thrive Wellness Corner for more no-nonsense aging hacks. I'll see you in the next video. Eat your greens!